Today's August 15th, and these are Carolyn's 4 puppies. We've got 3 boys right over there, and we've got Vivian way back there. They're all starting to walk around a little bit, and then all their little eyes are open. And this one here is Mr. Green. You can see his little eyes are open. And this one here is Mr. Red. Yeah. And then the last one, and then here's Mr. Black. Get your own. Yes. And then last we have Miss Vivian. Your cute little face.